Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices for pairing. Make sure AirPods have juice and the case is open. On your Dell, open Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Turn Bluetooth on if it isn't. Once done, keep the AirPods case lid open and press the Setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode, which the laptop can detect. Stay near the laptop so the signal is strong, and watch the Bluetooth list for new devices to appear. Now you pair the AirPods using Windows pairing flow. Click Add Bluetooth or other device, choose Bluetooth and wait. Your AirPods should show as a named device. Select them, and Windows will initiate the connection. Allow any prompts that request permission or driver setup. If Windows asks to set as default audio, accept it so sound routes to the AirPods. Make sure the case remains open until pairing completes, because closing it may drop the discoverable state and abort the process. Finish by confirming AirPods are the default playback and communications device in sound settings. You need audio to route correctly. Play audio and adjust laptop and AirPods volume, unmute if necessary. If pairing fails, close the lid, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until amber then white, and retry pairing from Bluetooth settings. If sound drops, update Dell Bluetooth drivers and move closer. Interference can block the connection. One key tip: reboot the laptop after driver changes to ensure Bluetooth services restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.